Hi. So what we're going to do here is we're going to look at calculations involving ratio. So hopefully you remember what ratios are. They are descriptions, it's a description of two or more different aspects of maybe quantities. So for example, in this example one, we've got red and blue cars in a ratio of 4 to 5. So that means for every 4 red cars, I've got 5 blue cars. So in practice we've been simplifying, getting the most simple version of the ratio. What I'm now going to be doing is, from the simplest version of the ratio, going to do calculations. Okay, so if there are 20 red cars, how many are blue? So the first thing we need to write down, this is to make sure we're not making any mistakes. So you can see what I've done is I've done R to B, that's standing for red to blue, so don't get any confusion, and then it's 4 to 5, and then if there are 20 red cars, so that means the 20 is going to go into the red. So now what we need to do is work out, what do I need to multiply 4 by to get 20? And in this case, it's 5. So if I'm multiplying the 4 by 5, that means I'm going to multiply the 5 by 5. So there are 25 blue cars. So you need to be really careful with the phrasing and the wording of it. So if you look at this next one, packets of crisps with some of them already salted and some of them salt and vinegar, and then the ratio of 10 to 3. So already salted is a 10 and salt and vinegar is a 3. So you've got ready salted and vinegar, 10 to 3. And if there are 27 salt and vinegar, how many ready salted? So we put the 27 under the V. So what do I need to do with 3 to get 27? Well, I need to multiply it by 9. So we end up with 90 packets of ready salted. Okay? So last question, to make dark orange paint red and yellow. That doesn't make any sense. To make dark orange paint red and yellow paint. Obviously wasn't paying attention when I wrote that question. Red and yellow paint are mixed in a ratio of 5 to 1. How much red will I use with 300 milliliters of yellow? So we've got 300 milliliters, so what do I need to do to the 1 to get 300? Times it by 300. And then all we need to do is 5 times 300, so 5 times 3 is 15, plus the 2 zeros. And there we need 1500 milliliters of red paint. Okay, so that is calculations with ratio.